Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another market breakdown, market recap. This is how we performed today on the SPY ES. We took a short today off the first presented for Valley Gap. I wanted to see price retrace into fair valuation. Yesterday's session, Monday, we had, where are we here? We had very nice aggressive displacement right to the upside. It looked like we were going for all-time highs once again. And during the during this displacement, we created these two inefficiencies here. One being on the 4 hour, marked out by this taller square. All right. And then I wanted to get more information on the inefficiencies. So going down the hourly, I noticed, right, we had this fair value gap here. So I marked those out and wanted to see those get referenced in price today. And that was the internal range, and this next external range sell side was this London low back here. So I did mark that out to see if that would get hit. And lo and behold, what it do eventually, right? There's that low I just told you about, previous session low, got hit, as well as those inefficiencies get filled to the consequent encroachment and respecting the consequent encroachment. But we get market open here, right? Price dumps creates this first presented fair value gap. And I had marked that out and waited for price to retrace into it before looking to enter short. We finally get the retracement here, and for a second, it looked like price was going to respect these London and Asia lows, right? Because of what it do, we had that displacement, 930 displacement, straight down to that sell side. And then we got a very small 3 candle displacement. But honestly, as much as price has been ripping to all-time highs again and again, I do not want to see it venture up there without taking some kind of significant sell side. And this case was that displacement from um, Monday's session. I think I said yesterday's session, but I forgot it's today's Wednesday. Excuse me. So yeah, once the price came close to that consequent encroachment here, I entered short with my stop at the top end of that first presented fair value gap, targeting. I had this New York low as a target, and as well as the consequent encroachment of this 4 hour inefficiency from earlier. And I ended up taking my profit here at the consequent encroachment of that 4 hour inefficiency. But um, look at it, right? What did price do? It dips down into it, respects it. However, it wanted to fill the rest of that 1 hour inefficiency, right? And that 4 hour inefficiency. So it came back up into this fair valuation before taking out these lows and then filling the rest of the higher time frame imbalance. And it ended up going off and eventually taking out that previous session low. And honestly, I didn't really expect it to go all the way down here. I thought I was going to respect this imbalances, but yeah, I ended up taking that and hanging around at that level. So yeah, good read nonetheless. I, you know, I want to say I'm skeptical about taking trades, but it's like I hate taking trades when we're near all-time highs like this. I was hoping we'd finally gonna get a retracement to some normal price action here, right? But yeah, no. But that's enough yapping for me. Hopefully I didn't go over my time limit. Thank you guys for watching. Like always, stay safe out there, stay disciplined, follow your rules, practice good risk management, and be the trader that you think of every time you perform. See you next time.